Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 116th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Use background, attachment and background position property. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash css. Now body tag, background image, URL 1.jpg. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Background repeat, no repeat, background attachment fixed, background position 10 pixel and 50 pixel. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, and now we'll start body tag, h1 tag, and now we'll end h1 tag. Now we'll end p tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 116th with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML and 116th program. So this is our basic output of how to use background attachment, background position property, and don't forget to check the text and description for the clear and basic understanding, and don't forget to like,